The State House at Accra was the scene of the farewell ball, and there was just about room for the hundreds crowding the floor. The dance, high life, popular in the country for more than 40 years. It's described as a rhythmic shuffle, but it takes a lot of practice to do it well. It was danced to Welcome, Your Majesty, specially composed for the occasion. The Queen danced with President Nkrumah and thoroughly enjoyed it all. Next night, there was a grand fireworks display on Black Star Square. Something for everyone to revel in. The Durbar at Sekondi followed the pattern of the others which had been held in the Queen's honour. It took place at the Gayunda Park, and presented to Her Majesty was the President of the Western Regional House of Chiefs, Nana Kofi Adianka IV. Then it was on with the Durbar. At last it was farewell. Britannia awaited the Queen and the Duke at Takoradi. Her Majesty said that the exciting 12-day tour had gone by like a flash. Finally, goodbye and thanks to President and Mrs. Nkrumah for their wonderful hospitality. The Queen will all her life cherish memories of the kindness and affection showered upon her throughout the Republic of Ghana.